So this is the projects related to you which I yesterday explained you. So first I will explain about the data set. So here this many classes are available based on the disease in your base paper. We had created training and testing, and then we had created train data.py file. That file only executing over here. So which I informed for train data we are using deep learning techniques. So these are all the packages, and here totally 10 epochs we are crossing. For the first time we are getting the accuracy will be 32. What is meant by training? In the sense, in the training I am using totally 15,000 images. For the testing I am using 6,000 images. So for each time of training, the training will be increased, the accuracy will be increased. For each time of loss, the loss will be decreased after the training. Gradually it will be increased and gradually it will be decreased. So based on that I had created a web app. So if I execute this web app, it will execute and give the output. So while after training, you can see the code. After training, the train model will be created over here with the name of gpt.hf file. This file has been called on app file and we can execute it. சார் சொல்லுங்க சார். சரி, ஓகே சார். ஓகே ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். சரி, ஓகே சார்.